Is squeeze die casting just another version of pressure casting? Not quite. Most of our customers ask us, what exactly is squeeze casting? How is it different? And when we should consider using it? In this video, I will answer the 10 questions we got asked the most, so you can better evaluate if squeeze casting is right for your parts. Squeeze die casting is a metal forming process that combines casting and forging. It starts by pouring or ejecting molten metal, usually aluminum, into a precision steel die. While the metal is still hot and semi-liquid, a hydraulic press applies high pressure directly onto the part as it solidifies inside the mold. This pressure is maintained throughout solidification, ensuring the metal takes the exact shape of the mold under controlled conditions. Compared to gravity casting, squeeze castings produce parts with much better mechanical performance and overall quality. Because pressure is applied during solidification, the metal structure becomes denser, which means higher tensile strength and better elongations. Unlike gravity cast parts, squeeze castings can also be heat treated even to T6 condition, which further improves strength and functionality. On the quality side, squeeze casting offers better control over porosity, smooth surfaces, and higher material efficiency. Since there's no need for complex gating system, less metal is wasted, and the overall production process is more efficient. Squeeze casting is very different from traditional forging. In hot or cold forging, you started with solid metal and press it into shapes with force. Squeeze castings works with molten metal instead. The metal is poured into a die, and then pressure is applied as it solidifies. So instead of deforming solid metal, squeeze casting shapes the metal as it turns from liquid to solid. Some people use the term liquid metal forging to describe processes that add pressures to molten metal, but typically without fully closing the mold or maintain pressure during solidification. In squeeze casting, the pressure is steady and applied through the entire solidification. That's what gives it better structure and accuracy. Squeeze casting is commonly used with non-ferrous metals, especially aluminum alloys. Typical alloys include ADC12, A356, aluminum silicon 12 copper, and aluminum silicon 13. These materials flow well into the mold and respond nicely to pressure during solidification. Steel can also be used, but it depends on the specific alloy, the part shape, and the equipment. For some high-strength steels, squeeze casting can be a great option, especially when you need strong, dense parts with tight tolerance, but it does require more control over temperature and pressure. One of the biggest advantages of squeeze casting is its ability to reduce or even eliminate the common casting defects like porosity and shrinkage. Because pressure is applied while the metal is solidified, any trapped gas gets pushed out and the metal packs more tightly into the mold. This helps prevent internal voids and make the structure more uniform. Also, the metal is poured in controlled amounts and the die is carefully temperature regulated. There's no turbulent flow, no excess air, no complex gating system, all of which help to improve part quality and consistency. So with the right setup, you get a dense, clean, and reliable casting. Squeeze casting works best for solid parts with simple, strong shapes like arms, brackets, or thick sections. It's not ideal for deep undercuts or even thin, complex features, since those can be hard to feel under pressure. During design, it helps to keep wall thickness uniform and avoid sharp transitions. That makes the metal flow more evenly and reduces the risk of defects. And since the processes use a closed die with direct pressure, things like parting line and ejection should be considered early on. Yes, squeeze casting is a great fit for humanoid robotics, especially for structured parts that need to be both lightweight and strong. Robot arms, joints, and frames often require parts that are strong, stable, and dimensionally accurate. With a clean surface finish, squeeze casting delivers on all of these. It also helps reduce weight without sacrificing strength, which is critical for movement and balances. And because the processes produce dense parts with fewer internal defects, it's well suited for components that need tight tolerances or follow-up machining. Squeeze casting is widely used for parts that need to be strong, precise, and consistent, especially when safety or performance matters. Common applications include brackets, housings, arms, knuckles, and pump components. Parts that often require tight tolerance and clean, machinable surfaces. You will find squeeze casting used in industries like automotive, robotics, and even medical equipment, which reliability and weight reduction are both important. It's a great fit for structured parts that need performance without compromise. Squeeze casting can be cost-effective even for low or medium volume runs, especially when you need high part quality and minimal defects. Because the process doesn't require complex gating system or vacuum setup, the tooling is often simpler and faster to build. That helps reduce the upfront investments. And since the parts come out with good surface finish and tight tolerance, you can often reduce or even skip second machining, which saves time and cost down the line. It's a smart choice when quality matters more than high volume output. At Sunrise, consistency starts with process control. We use advanced equipment to monitor temperatures, pressures, and timing during every casting cycle. And each part is formed under the same stable conditions. Our dies are precisely machined and carefully maintained, which helps ensure long-term dimensional accuracy. After casting, we rely on in-house CNC machining and full inspection, including CMM, X-ray, and surface analysis to make sure parts meet the required specs. We focus on consistent results, not just in one part, but across every production run. At Sunrise, we offer full squeeze casting capability from tooling to production and precision machining. If you have any questions or want to explore whether it's the right fit for your part, feel free to reach out. We are here to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.